If you are wanting to make your Epson Workforce 2950 or similar model chipless, then stay tuned. You won't want to miss this video. Hey, what is going on? The printer guy here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn your Epson Workforce into a chipless printer. The reason you would want to go chipless is to use a CISS system or to use remanufactured ink. To do this process, you will need a Windows desktop or laptop. You're going to need a USB cable that connects directly from your computer to your printer. And then once you have that hooked up, you're going to want to go to inkchip.net. This website is down in the description below. You could click it, go there. You're going to click on SOFT for software, and you're going to scroll down until you see your specific printer model. Going to download the firmware, which is the first download button in the column for the printer you've chosen. You're going to have a file like this. You're going to open it up, and for me, I actually had to click here, inkchip.net firmware. I extracted all, and that actually allowed me to have another file that popped up, and that was the file that I actually would open up and then go down there, inkchip.net firmware. That second one that had the extract all file, that's the one that actually got me to this point where I could actually download the software. Because your printer is already connected with the USB cable, the printer model should show up under model name, USB, new version, and you're going to click on start. Once you click on start, you select the printer. The firmware will begin to download onto the printer. You're going to allow this to download to 100% because once it's at 100%, that means the firmware is fully uploaded onto the printer, but that's not where the process ends. You also need your activation key, your activation code, and that's what we're going to be working on next. We're going to go down to download the activation back on inkchip.net. You simply just need to go down similarly to what we did before, click download. That's the middle download button for the specific printer. That's going to download another software that will pop up like this. This is a tool that you can use, and this is where you would put in your activation code. We then again have to go back to inkchip.net. You're going to click buy, that is right at the top of the web page, and you're going to select your specific printer model. And if you notice, there's a lot of other models as well. We're going to click on add to cart. It's going to be about $30 for this, but don't worry about that. There is a discount code that you can use. You're going to click on the top right corner where the cart is, and that will allow you to actually check out. So you're going to input best printers, and that's going to allow you to save 10%, apply the coupon, and then you can proceed to checkout. You can put in your information and pay. Once you've paid, you should get an email with the activation code. This is the activation code you're going to copy and paste into the activation tool that you've already downloaded onto your computer. You will now input your activation code, click OK, and we can move forward with the process. Activation code written successfully. That means that the printer can now be restarted, and that firmware, the activation key that's on the printer will now restart it, and it can now become chipless. You can use a CISS system, and you can also use remanufactured ink that maybe previously was not working. Now the code with a lot of the digits with a lot of the A's in it, that's actually your recovery code. You're going to want to keep that for future reference. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.